Hello. I'm sorry to know that your JBL headphones are broken too. But don't worry. Today I'll show you how to repair headphones quite easy with a simple superglue and baking soda hack. This gluing technique can be used to glue any JBL, Sony, Beats and other headphones. As you can see, these JBL E65BTNC wireless headphones are completely broken. One side is totally broken and the hinge pin is missing. The other side the headphone owner has tried to repair on his own, but this has not worked and this side is also damaged. The first task is to move the headphones so that the inner cable between both sides not become damaged, definitely before gluing the headphones. Connect them to the phone and carefully put them on your head to check that everything works correct. As there is no point gluing a non-working headphones. If the headphones sound and work as they should, you can glue them together. To do this you will need baking soda, liquid superglue, pliers, a toothbrush, but better get it from grandmother, not yours. And painter's tape will also come in handy. Start by wrapping the headphones in some plastic wrap, so that the glue doesn't smudge and damage the headphones. Also remove the ear pad cushions so they don't get glue on them. Also cover the speaker hole to avoid damaging the speaker driver. Also tape the headphone housing, so that glue does not get dripped on headphones. Then try to put the hinge in place. Take the metal paper clip and make a straight stick out of it, and put it on hinge. Then take this metal pin out. Release the hinge, then under the plastic hinge apply superglue, and put the hinge back in place. Fix the hinge by inserting the metal pin. Squeeze this metal pin with the clamps tighter together so that it does not fall out. Next step is to press the glue into all the gaps in the hinge. Also fold the top plastic a little loose so that there is a gap where can press superglue. Add baking soda on top of the glue. This will make instant cement together with the superglue. Use a toothbrush to remove the excess baking soda. Do the same on the other side. Add baking soda in all the gaps, then wipe off the excess, and again squeeze the glue into all the gaps that are not filled. Add baking soda on top and wipe off the excess. This process is repeated several times until the gap is filled with instant cement. The last step is to glue the headphones so that they do not rotate, otherwise they will break at this point of rotation. Turn the headphones 90 degrees, press the glue in and turn them as they should be when used on the head. Now it is important to keep them properly locked in place, and put baking soda on top to lock the headphones in position. Wipe off the excess baking soda, put glue on top again and add the baking soda. Also fill the gap on the inside with superglue and baking soda. Tear off any excess soda and do this several times until everything looks filled with instant cement. Even though the other side of the headphone still works, it's better to glue it in place as a safety precaution to prevent it from cracking. Also on this side, fill the gaps with superglue and apply baking soda over the top. Wipe off the excess soda and repeat several times until the gaps are filled with instant cement. Once all the cracks are filled with superglue and baking soda hack, you can clean the table surface of the white powder so that grandma doesn't get the wrong idea about the white powder. Once the table is clean, remove all the plastic wrap and use a damp cloth to clean the headphones themselves, so that the baking soda is not on the headphones. Then take the nail polish from grandpa, and cover the instant cement places with it, so it's prettier. If you want to keep the nail polish away from places that don't need paint, stick painter's tape on the places that need to be protected. Paint both sides with nail polish, it will make it look a bit better. Then remove the painter's tape before the nail varnish dries. Remove the remaining painter's tape as well, as you will no longer need them. And put back the ear pad cushions you removed. If you want to put new ear pads on your headphones, or want to understand how to remove them, see my previous video. The headphones are essentially repaired, but I'll still put some insulation tape over the top, which I think will give an extra hold so that the headphones never break in that place again. Maybe it will look better with the insulation tape. What do you think? Is it better with masking tape or not? That's it. Fixed the damaged JBL E65BTNC headphones, saved money and can use the headphones again. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below the video. As always, me and Grandma will be happy if you subscribe and like this video so we can meet in other useful headphone repair videos. Good luck.